Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unlock PayPal from QuickBooks Online. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, we are just going to follow this article here. And basically this article will show you exactly how to disconnect PayPal from QuickBooks Online. So now the first thing would be is just to go to the banking option from your QuickBook. And of course, you will need just to go to edit setting after going to your payments method, which is PayPal in our case. And then you can simply disconnect PayPal from it. So here, let's deep dive on the details on how you can do it. So basically, on the QuickBooks Online, you will find your menu on the sidebar from here. Then you can simply hover on the banking and basically on the banking, you will find this banking, app transaction rules, etc. You will need to choose banking. By choosing banking, it will take you to another page or another view where you can find all your banking methods. So you can find PayPal bank, you can find another bank, some whatever the bank you are using or the banks that you have linked within your QuickBooks Online. And basically, you will need just to update the PayPal bank. So you click on the pencil icon so you can update this payments method. And then you will need to go to settings. By clicking on edit settings, you will be able to see an option to disconnect PayPal or to unlock PayPal from your QuickBooks Online. So simply, you will need just to click on disconnect PayPal and a pop-up will appear. Of course, you will want to make sure this is temporary and then you click on submit and then you will have a successful message and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.